US30 or Dow Jones this week dropped in value. We can see that the week has started with this bearish candle. Bearish engulfing candle has been formed here at the resistance level as confluence of resistance where the price continued to fall down in value all the way through the whole week. And we can see the price has stopped at 42,289. This bearish candle that has been formed here has been discussed inside the trading Telegram group, trading community, where I shared with the traders, and I have said that I am expecting that the price will drop in value. And each day it was explained with the traders where the target was here at 42,289. And then the price formed another bearish engulfing candle on Friday, where we can see the price made a bearish breakout below 42,000, and then it has stopped just in between this resistance and the support level. Weekly is a bearish candle, and we can see that easily because the whole week, all days were bearish on the US30, and then the monthly time frame looks currently as a bearish. So what we can expect in the next week, which is the last week for this month. Now, after the price has formed strong bearish signals during this week, I can see that the first support level on the monthly time frame is 41,500. This is the area where is the next support level that needs to hold on the monthly time frame in order to prevent a bearish sentiment even stronger to reach lower price levels. Now this one, which is 41,500, we can see on the weekly it will be around this one area here, from this here. So it is an area that needs to hold for the price. But what I am expecting next week is to reach at least this one here, 41,883. Now 41,960 is the next support level. What I have said, I am expecting that the price will reach an area here, and where it is the next very important level is this one here. We can see that it will be a confluence of support for the price. We can see that where we have a trend line acting as a support and this one horizontal support. So for now, for the next week, I am expecting that the price first will reach 41,960 and this one here, 41,800. If the price breaks below, this is the next support level where the price is heading. So I'm currently bearish oriented on the US30, so I'm expecting that the price will drop in value. If the price returns back above 42,289, this will be a bullish breakout, which will signal for the price that the price could go above, and the next resistance will be 42,500, and this one here around 42,500. This will be the next resistance level on a smaller scale on the lower time frames. This is all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.